Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add sticker effects on your TikTok video. Please subscribe if you didn't, and let's get started. First, open your TikTok app, then click the plus button at the bottom, then record a video. Then on your right, click on effects and click on sticker. So there's a lot of sticker to choose from. You're gonna have to hold down to apply any that you like. So this is how to add sticker effects on your TikTok video. There's more. If you want more, just scroll on your left and you'll find more. So after that, save. So this is how to add sticker effects on your TikTok video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you're new, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.